if the student really likes any subject, I think the teacher has a role in it. And on the contrary, I can say that the student doesn't like any subject, the teacher has a role in it too. Because I can tell you that I hardly have got any good teacher when it comes to mathematics. That is why I was not a fan of mathematics at all. And later on, when I when I was in my 11th and 12th grade, my economics teacher, she was very good, and the way of explanation, it was really amazing. And even the naughty
It's
children,
up to
they were
teacher.
also very
Hmm.
attentive in her class. And in economics, there are some parts of mathematics as well, right? But when I was in that time period, I really was admiring mathematics as well, because it was a part of economics. So I think teachers, they also have a crucial role in it. I think so. So being, and hi, good afternoon.
Yeah, that means a lot. Welcome.
Yes, thank you so much for
Yeah, good
connecting with
afternoon.
me
How are
today.
you?
I'm doing absolutely fine. Couldn't be better. You tell me, how about you?
Yeah, my day is going hunky dory and everything is going smoothly. And
Okay.
after meeting to you and your way you welcoming the audience, so yeah, great. After meeting you, I'm very thrilled and happy to have a session with you.
Thank you so much for that. Okay. I was supposed to say that this is our first conversation together, and I have seen some of your videos as well. You are doing absolutely fantastic, and the confidence level, it is really appreciable in your case. So, I really want to know something more about yourself. Could you please spread a spotlight on you?
Yeah, for sure. I would love to introduce myself as you know, my name is Artana and I'm from Bihar, city called Darbhanga. And if we talk about my education qualification, I did my schooling from Hindi medium background and I have completed advanced diploma in 2025 in computer application. And as for now, I'm a literature student. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love reading books, talking with people, listening to music. This is my hobby, and I'm a nature lover person. I'm very enthusiastic of traveling. Yeah, that's pretty much about me. And I have a small YouTube channel. The name is Talk Nova, where I put solo videos mostly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And yes, I know you're from Bihar, and the city which is called as Darbhanga. I think I have heard about the city already. So I think you also want my introduction here, right?
Yeah, for sure. I would love to
Yes.
know about you.
Yes, this is Nimisha Deepu talking to you from Bihar. I'm a teacher. I am a YouTuber as well. I do have a small YouTube by the name of Be an EduBest, where I upload conversation and some other stuffs which is related to English. I mean, those kind of videos onto my YouTube channel. And apart from that, my bread and butter is located in Bihar, and my hobby is also to indulge myself I mean, with English. It's all about me.
Yeah, amazing, amazing introduction from your side also. You're doing really good, doing your conversation video and put upload on. And you're very consistent, I know. I think I
No.
see your one of couple of videos on your YouTube channel. Yes, you mostly uploaded conversation videos, right?
Yes, yes. I usually upload conversation videos, but sometimes I try to make solo videos related to some idiomatic expressions and vocabularies, something like that. But there is a huge difference between making solo videos and conversation videos, right? So when it comes to solo videos, it takes a lot of time. I mean, to make the script and also to practice, right? But when it comes to conversation, there is no need of script and no need of preparation. We have to just sit in front of the camera and we have to speak spontaneously. So it's a it's a easy task for each and everybody out there. So I normally make conversation videos.
Yeah, I understand. I understand because I'm,
Yes.
creator. I'm a solo creator, so I know this
Yes,
thing very well. So when
yes,
it comes to solo videos, you have to practice at least for like 5 to 6 times, and then you have to face the camera, and it's very hard. And
yes.
when it comes to conversation videos, so just go with the flow, and if something comes to your mind, just speak out. Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is something different. It is convenient for each and everybody out there. And I think you are good at making solo videos because I have watched many of your solo videos. And tell me what makes you, good at making solo videos because you are something different as compared to others. Tell me what's the secret behind it?
Okay, there's no secret behind it. I think it's all about practice and self-confidence. If you have a little bit more self-confidence to comparing like conversation videos to solo videos, so it's with self-confidence or practice.
Ye-
I'm very stubborn, so yeah, I repeat again and again. I shot it like 5 to 6 times, sometimes 10 times in a one video. So yes.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
everybody is a learner out there. If you do any mistakes, so no one gonna judge you. It's a part of journey. If you're
Correct.
making mistakes.
Yes, as we all
What
already know.
about you? How long?
Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, go on. You're saying something.
No, I was supposed to say that we all are here by the name of learners. So I think there is nobody gonna judge us because nobody is perfect out there. So as much as I mean, what we can do that we have to polish each and every day. So that's it. Otherwise, there is no. I mean, even the native speakers they do make mistakes. So I just leave it.
Yeah. When it comes to spoken, yeah, because everybody has their third language. Like first is our native language, second is Hindi, and the third is English. So we can
Yes.
grasp it easily by polishing day by day or improving day by day. So
Yes.
okay, so I'm very curious to know about your journey. How did you start your journey, spoken English journey, and when did you start your YouTube channel exactly?
I think I have spilled the beans for multiple times over here, but as you have asked this question, I would really like to answer to your question. My channel was created back in, during the time of pandemic, and but it was not related to English back then. I was uploading some question and answers type videos relating to competitive exams in my own mother tongue, and later on in 2025 I decided to work upon my communication skills so that I could do better in my career. So I restarted my YouTube channel with this stuff which is called English, and I started to make conversation on a regular basis with the different persons out there, and that was the beginning of my journey. And I can say it's been almost 1.5 years now.
2.5 years.
1.5 years.
You're continuously practice 1.5 years. So
Yes.
you're consistent over there, like
No.
making videos and practicing your.
No, I'm not consistent here. I do nothing for it. It's not something great to say that I don't do nothing. I mean, I don't do anything. But because of this hustle and vessels, I hardly get time to be in touch with this process. So I do something, which is called, I can say, hearing practice, right? I try to hear to different podcasts, and apart from that, I was into reading earlier, but now I am not at all into this because it's not my cup of tea. I have realized it. So, yes, but I'm not consistent here.
Okay, for spoken English journey on YouTube, right?
Yes, yes. Because if we really want
That's
to be consistent here, then we have to be in touch with this process on a daily basis. We have to make conversation videos, or at least we have to hear to some podcast each and every day. But in my case, what happens is you can already imagine what about the condition of a teacher. Each and every time we have some other work to do, and teachers' hands are always, occupied, right?
I'm busy with some other work.
Yes, so I don't get as much as free time, so I'm not consistent even when it comes to making conversational videos on a daily basis. So that's why I told you that I'm not consistent. Whenever I get free time or I think that okay, this is the time I can make a conversation, then I approach anybody, then I make the conversation. Apart from that, I can't consider that I'm a consistent person.
Yeah, but as for now, you spoke really well. Even though you're
Thank
not
you.
consistent, but you spoke really well. Yes. Yeah, it's
Maybe.
sometimes it's hard to me also, like as a content creator, and I'm studying also, and I have to other work also. Like I'm into teaching, and I'm student. I'm content creator. I'm more into the art of traveling. So yes, there's a lot of things in my plate too. Sometimes it's very hard to handle all those things together. So,
Yes, definitely.
I know very well.
That's why I was supposed to ask you this question that being a student, you already have a lot on your plate and you are teaching, as you said now, you are teaching, right? And obviously, it might be some tuition classes, right? So how do you
Right.
manage? How do you find free time to make contents and to record the video? So how do you manage all these things? Obviously, you may get some free times because you are not married, so there would be a lot of people to assist you with the household chores. Even though we should be very good at time management, right? So that we could manage all these things together very easily. So please tell me, how do you manage?
To be honest, I make to-do lists. What is my uh, priority to do this thing first and then second, third. I make to-do lists. I'm not consistent over making conversation videos. When somebody approaches me, I go with that person. So yeah,
Hmm.
and I'm making solo videos. So make to-do list is helping me in my journey, I guess.
Okay. So, what do you do in order to practice your English?
My self practice, and I go with voice calls, and sometimes there's the one app Peer Up, the app name called
Can
Peer
you
Up.
spell it?
So where I Peer Up, where you go and talk with people who is a
Okay.
stranger or caller. Yeah, so I go with that and practice there. And I have one WhatsApp group. Whenever I'm free, I just send me the message if anybody free so can join me. So in
Okay.
this way, I'm practice my English. And I mostly go with Chat GPT or Copilot where I rectify my mistake in order to, whenever I do the mistakes, so they rectify my mistakes. So in this way, I practice my spoken English.
That's really appreciable because it's all about time management, and many people out there like me, we are very bad at managing the time. That's why even if we prepare a to-do list, then it's not going to be work out because after all, we have to kick the ball off, right? But when it comes to me, I consider myself as a lethargic person, so it's very hard for me to start the game. Then only we could go with the flow, right? So it's mainly, but I cannot blame my case. I mean, I cannot blame me because I have already got a lot on my place, and at the end of the day, I normally get worn out. So that could be the reason why I am not considering this as the most important thing for me. But even though this is very important for us to keep in our mind that what is the importance of time management and what is the priority. So I think as far as I have seen your videos, I think you are good at time management and also at making solo videos because we have to come up with new ideas, new expressions, and also at the same time we have to explain it in a good way so that the viewer could understand it well and they could use it in their daily conversation, right? So I think you are good at that. So it's not everybody's cup of tea.
Yeah, when it comes to solo videos, it's not everybody. I resonate with you. So making solo videos is really hard, and conversation with go with flow. So I came across a lot of people making solo videos nowadays. So I just thought in my mind to make something
Yes.
different. So Yeah,
But I think whatever the
viewers
thing
can.
that we have to do, we really want to be in touch with that. As we go it to do, I mean, as we do it furthermore repeatedly, then I think there would not be any kind of such problems, because we are used to that, right? If we are really on that track, then there is no question arises about how to make it and what to speak and what to where to keep the camera and how to record it. There is no such question arises. So I think it's all about consistency and how do we really stick on with that process. So it's all about that. And if we really
Yeah, it's all up to you how you yeah manage your time and how do you do it. If you're